This is our tricep press. This piece of equipment is used to train the back of the arm, of course known as the tricep. So we have a V-bar on here. We've got a couple of different handles you can use, but once you get your handle that you like selected and you get your weight selected on the stack, you just take the V-bar, keep your elbows in nice and close, press all the way to the bottom, come back up, okay. Run through your reps. Once your reps are complete, you just set it back down on the stack and you're good to go. Our tricep dip machine. The way this guy works is you have two levers up front for your shoulder width. For wide shoulders, go to the outside. A little more narrow shoulder, go to the inside. The other adjustment on this particular piece of equipment is your seat height. The way you adjust your seat height is you just squeeze this lever, get it to the correct setting that you want, and then let it drop in. Now, once you've got that set up, you put on the appropriate weight that you want to use for your exercise that day. Come around, have a seat. Grip the bars. Now, these bars for your seat height, like I say, you want to be in a slightly forward position with a little bit of pressure almost starting to start on the front of the deltoid or the shoulder. Once you're there, just grab a hold of your grips, press down, come all the way to the bottom of the motion, and repeat. Once you're done, just come back to the resting position, and you're ready to take a break.